Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Appsticademy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to appear offline on your Telegram application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Telegram app and log into your account if you haven't done so already using your phone number and your login code. Now after you are logged in, you will be taken into your homepage from which you can access all of your chats. Just tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and this will open up the menu page. Just tap on your profile icon. And now underneath the settings option, you can tap on privacy and security. Now in this page, underneath privacy, you will find last seen and online. Go ahead and tap on it. And now if you don't want anyone to see that you are online on Telegram, then make sure to select nobody. You can also add any exception by tapping on add user, and any user that you add in this exception will only be able to see your online status. After making your change, tap on the tick mark at the top right corner and your changes will immediately be saved as well. And you can come back to this menu at any time in order to change your preference. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to appear offline on the Telegram application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.